Hey there, gorgeous. Welcome to the world of sustainable style. Are you passionate about fashion, sustainability, and savvy shopping? Do you love the thrill of finding that perfect, unique piece that tells a story? Then launching your own online thrift store could be your dream side hustle or even a full-time gig. Imagine curating a collection of pre-loved treasures and sharing them with the world. It's a fantastic way to share your love of unique finds while promoting a more eco-conscious way to shop. Online thrifting is booming. More and more people are turning to secondhand shopping as a way to express their individuality and make a positive impact on the planet. People are realizing that they can find incredible, one-of-a-kind pieces without breaking the bank. It's not just about saving money, it's about finding something special that you can't get anywhere else. And even better, they're helping to reduce textile waste and minimize their environmental impact. It's a win-win. By choosing secondhand, you're contributing to a more sustainable future. Ready to dive in? I'm going to break down everything you need to know to launch your very own online thrift store. From setting up your online presence to finding the best inventory, I've got you covered. We'll cover everything from sourcing inventory to marketing your brand like a pro. You'll learn how to take stunning photos, write compelling descriptions, and engage with your customers on social media. Get ready to unleash your inner entrepreneur and make your mark on the world, one fabulous find at a time. Let's embark on this exciting journey together and revolutionize the way we shop. First things first, you need amazing inventory. The foundation of any great collection is the quality and uniqueness of the pieces you choose. The thrill of the hunt is half the fun, and there are tons of places to find hidden gems. Flea markets are bustling with energy and filled with potential treasures waiting to be discovered. Start by hitting up your local thrift stores, consignment shops, and flea markets. These places are gold mines for unique and affordable finds. You can often score incredible deals on clothing, accessories, and home decor. Look for items that stand out and have a story to tell. Don't be afraid to get your hands dirty and dig through the racks. You never know what treasures you'll uncover. Sometimes the best pieces are hidden beneath layers of other items. Another great option is to host clothing swaps with friends or in your community. This not only helps you find new pieces but also fosters a sense of community and sustainability. This is a fun and sustainable way to refresh your inventory while giving pre-loved items a new life. Plus, it's a great way to bond with friends and meet new people who share your passion for fashion. You can also put out a call on social media or through local online groups for people looking to donate their unwanted clothing and accessories. This can be a fantastic way to source unique items without spending a dime. Remember, quality over quantity. Choose items that are in good condition and reflect your unique style. Curate a collection that tells a story and showcases your personal taste. Now it's time to create your online storefront. This is where you'll showcase your amazing finds and connect with customers. The good news is that there are tons of user-friendly platforms available, even if you're not a tech whiz. Popular options include Shopify, Etsy, and Squarespace. These platforms offer various pricing plans and features, so you can choose the one that best fits your budget and needs. When setting up your store, remember to create a catchy and memorable name that reflects your brand aesthetic. Invest time in high-quality product photos and write detailed descriptions that highlight the unique features of each item. Don't forget to include essential information like sizing, fabric content, and any flaws or imperfections. Stunning product photography is essential for attracting customers and making your items shine. You don't need fancy equipment to capture eye-catching photos. A smartphone and some natural light can go a long way. Find a well-lit spot near a window or outdoors on a cloudy day. Natural light is always more flattering than artificial light. Use a plain background like a white wall or a sheet to keep the focus on your product. Experiment with different angles and compositions to find what looks best. Edit your photos to enhance their brightness and clarity. There are tons of free and affordable editing apps available such as Snapseed and VSCO. Remember, your goal is to showcase your products in the best possible light and entice customers to hit that add to cart button. Marketing magic, spreading the word about your brand. Once your online store is up and running, it's time to spread the word and attract customers. Social media is your new best friend. Create engaging content that showcases your unique finds, styling tips, and behind-the-scenes peeks at your process. Instagram is a visual platform that's perfect for showcasing your thrifted treasures. Use high-quality photos and videos, and don't be afraid to experiment with different content formats like Reels and Stories. Engage with your followers by responding to comments and messages promptly. Consider collaborating with influencers or bloggers who align with your brand aesthetic. They can help you reach a wider audience and drive traffic to your store. Don't underestimate the power of word-of-mouth marketing. Encourage your friends, family, and followers to share your store with their networks. Show me the money revenue models for your thrift store. Now let's talk about the money, honey. There are a few different revenue models you can use for your online thrift store. The most common is direct sales, where you set a price for each item and keep the profit after deducting any expenses. Another option is consignment, where you partner with other sellers and take a commission on each sale. This can be a great way to increase your inventory and offer a wider variety of products without having to source everything yourself. Consider offering subscription boxes. This model involves curating personalized boxes of thrifted items based on the customer's style preferences. Subscription boxes can be a great way to generate recurring revenue and build a loyal customer base. Growing your empire. Expanding your online thrift store. Once you've established your online store and started generating sales, it's time to think about growth opportunities. Expanding your online thrift store can open up new revenue streams and help you reach a broader audience. One option is to expand your product offerings. Diversifying your inventory can attract different customer segments and keep your existing customers coming back for more. Consider adding new categories like vintage home decor, accessories, or even upcycled clothing. These items can appeal to eco-conscious shoppers and those looking for unique, one-of-a-kind pieces. Think about offering international shipping to reach a wider audience. By tapping into global markets, you can significantly increase your customer base and sales. This will require some research into shipping costs and logistics, including understanding customs regulations and delivery times for different countries. But it can be a lucrative way to grow your business. Offering international shipping can set you apart from competitors who only ship domestically. You can also explore wholesale opportunities by partnering with boutiques or other retailers who align with your brand. This can help you move larger quantities of inventory and build brand recognition. Another exciting option is to develop your own mobile app. A dedicated app can enhance customer engagement and loyalty by providing a convenient shopping experience. This will provide a more seamless shopping experience for your customers, making it easier for them to browse and purchase your products on the go, and allow you to send push notifications about new arrivals, sales, and promotions. These notifications can drive traffic to your store and increase sales. As your business grows, consider opening a physical storefront to complement your online presence. A brick-and-mortar location can serve as a hub for local customers and create a tangible connection to your brand. This will allow customers to experience your brand in person and try on items before they buy. It can also host events, pop-up shops, and exclusive sales to further engage your community. The future of fashion sustainability and conscious consumerism. Launching an online thrift store is about more than just turning a profit. It's about promoting a more sustainable and conscious approach to fashion. By giving pre-loved items a new life, you're helping to reduce textile waste and minimize the fashion industry's environmental impact. Consumers are becoming increasingly aware of the environmental and ethical implications of their shopping habits. They're looking for ways to reduce their consumption, support sustainable brands, and give back to the community. By embracing sustainability and transparency, you can attract customers who share your values and build a brand that's both profitable and purpose-driven. Remember, fashion should be fun, expressive, and accessible to everyone without compromising the planet. Conclusion: take the plunge and launch your dream. Launching your own online thrift store is an exciting journey that combines creativity, entrepreneurship, and a passion for sustainable living. It's a chance to turn your love of fashion into a thriving business while making a positive impact on the world. Remember, success takes time, effort, and a whole lot of hustle. Don't be afraid to experiment, learn from your mistakes, and adapt your strategies along the way. So, what are you waiting for? Take the plunge, launch your dream, and get ready to make your mark on the sustainable fashion revolution. I'm cheering you on every step of the way.